What you see is what you get.
First impressions are the strongest. Reviews are being on trial on your life. You want to win your day based on your ability and stability. Waiting lists. Manageability and teamwork. Professional behavior. Everyone hires for the same job.
And that will make you say, you're hired.
Make no mistake. Stick to it. Get organized. Market yourself. Interview for success.
Good morning, sir. There's an applicant waiting for interview.
Okay, please let that applicant come in.
Meet Jobely Borja, the weird and the brainy. Meet Janine Espiritu, the very curious. Meet Cyril Amante, the overconfident. And meet Graciela Santiago, the friendly one.
Good morning, sir.
May I have your resume?
This is Mariana.
Oh, you need your resume. I'm Mr. Santos Tomasa. I'm the OSCA chairman of the Jackie Accounting Firm. And nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Can you introduce yourself to me?
I'm Ana Graciela Santiago, and I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science and Accountancy from St. Mary's College of Maykawayan.
First of all, my first question is, what do you know about our company?
GAPV Accounting is the largest in Bulacan, which caters auditing, consultancy services, financial analysis, and inventory costing.
What I know in your company is the largest in Bulacan. It gives a high profit to
Well, I know a lot about your company. My brother is working here as an office secretary.
Okay,
What I know about your company is that it is the most influential accounting firm in Bulacan and it handles thousands of transactions every year.
Well, Ms. Santiago, what college did you attend and why did you choose it?
I went at St. Mary's College of Maykawayan. It was a choice based on practicality. I wanted a school that would give me a good education and prepare me for the real world. It isn't a big school, but it has taught me some big lessons about the value of service in the real world business.
What is your energy level? Describe a typical day.
My energy level is like an active volcano that suddenly blows lava out of its crater. I'm aggressive, but the accomplishment everything in a day completely and surely.
About my energy level, when I am fully provoked, and I am type of person who doesn't end up my day without any produced result.
What is your greatest strength?
I believe in planning the proper management of my time, and yet I can still work under pressure.
How are you interested in sports?
I really enjoy most team sports. Don't get a lot of time to indulge myself, but I am a varsity player of volleyball team when I was in college.
Do you prefer working with others or alone?
No, I'm quite happy working alone in society. I need much concentration.
When do you expect a promotion?
As soon as I work, I believe that my capabilities are enough to compete in this corporate world.
Okay. Define cooperation.
Cooperation is a personal ability to sacrifice personal wishes and beliefs whenever necessary to assure the department research to its goal.
Considering that you have a doctor's appointment, arrange for a new. You waited 2 weeks to get in. An urgent meeting is scheduled at the last moment. Joe, what do you do?
If I were the junior accounting staff who had to schedule a really important meeting at the last moment and someone on my staff chose to go to the doctor's instead, how would I feel?
Yes, exactly.
The first thing that I would do is reschedule the appointment and save the doctor's office inconvenience. Then, I would immediately make sure I was properly prepared for the emergency day.
What is your greatest weakness?
I enjoy my work and I always give each project my best shot. So when sometimes I don't feel others are pulling their weight, I find it a little frustrating. I am aware of that weakness and I try to overcome it with a positive attitude that I hope will touch.
Assuming that there is a big possibility that I will hire you, what are your qualities that will make me hire you?
I have the qualifications you need: conservative, resourceful, critical thinker, and reliable. I am a team player. I take direction, and I have the desire to make a thorough success.
What area of your skills or professional development do you want to improve at this time?
Well, from what you told me about the job, I seem to have all the necessary skills and background. What I would really find exciting is the opportunity to work on a job where my skills will be.
See this pen that I'm holding? Sell it to me.
Let me tell you about the special features of this product. Import your articles, and that will save you time in recalling the important features. The casing is wide enough to enable you to use it comfortably at your desk. At 40 pesos, it is a disposable and affordable enough for you to have a handful for your desk, briefcase, car, and at home. And the black color means you'll never lose it.
What is the worst thing you heard about our company?
We are a top company and to get into because your interviews and interviewers are so rigorous.
We have tried to hire people from your school or your major before, and they seem not to work out. What makes you different from them?
First, may I ask you exactly the problems you had with people from this background? My great love and dedication for work makes me different.
And for the last, how would you evaluate me as an entrepreneur?
This is one of the toughest interview I've ever been through. I don't relish the prospect of going through another, yet I do realize what you are trying to achieve.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Santiago. And let's call it a day. And nice meeting you again.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you.
Energy level is like an active volcano that suddenly
You may be yours.